Hi, this is Carla Krause again. This is for those of you thinking of joining a team. Maybe you're a newer agent and you're finding it frustrating and challenging to find your own clients. And you're thinking, well, there's got to be an easier way. I'll just join a team. After all, when you join a team, they're just going to give you the leads, and these leads are going to be just gold-plated, and they're going to be ready to buy or sell. Not so fast. I have 3 considerations I want you to consider, and then I'm going to tell you how to find all 14 questions you need to ask. So, the first thing you want to ask is, what is the work that I'll be doing? What will you expect me to do? And even best, if they give you a schedule. There was one agent I know that thought she wanted to be on a team, and she quickly found out that she had to work weekends. Oh my gosh! Why? Because that's when the clients want to look at houses. But she didn't get on the team because of that reason. So be sure you check out with the person that you're interviewing with, what is the work that they expect of you? Get a job description. And the second question is, are you going to coach me? And what are you going to hold me accountable to? Because you see, teams spend a lot of money generating those leads, and they expect someone to carry through successfully with them. So they're not just going to hire you on the team because you're a nice person. They want to be sure that you're going to do the work, and they're going to check your work and hold you accountable. So be sure you get all of that clear before you join that team. And finally, teams run on systems. So ask the team leader, let me see all of your systems, because you see, you will be then joining into and helping run that system. Well, what if the team leader says, well, we don't have any systems? Oh my gosh. That means you won't know what to do, and you certainly won't know how to do it like the team wants it done. So those are just 3 of the areas that you should look at before you make that decision to join a team. You can get all 14 questions here. I'm putting it up on the screen. And it comes from my book, Launching Right in Real Estate, What They Don't Teach You in Pre-License School. And it just won an award for one of the best business books of this year. So if you're thinking of real estate right now and looking, you got to have this book, because I've been interviewing potential new agents for more years than I like to tell you. I probably interviewed thousands. I know all the questions you ask. I know the flaky answers sometimes you're given. So this is kind of your defense of when you're interviewing, so that you will make great decisions best for you. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll get all of these tips and make great decisions as a real estate agent.